TP-Link router not working. 1. Power cycle the router, unplug the router from power, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in to reset connections. 2. Check cables and connections, ensure all cables are securely connected, especially the Ethernet cable from the modem to the router's WAN port. 3. Confirm internet service is active, connect a device directly to the modem to ensure your internet connection works. 4. Check router's indicator lights, green or blue lights indicate normal operation, while red or blinking lights may signal an issue. Five. Restart connected devices, power off and on your devices, laptop, phone, to refresh the connection to the router. 6. Access the router's admin page, enter 192.168.0.1 or tplinkwifi.net in a browser to access settings. The default login is usually admin/admin. 7. Run Quick Setup Wizard, in the admin page, run the Setup Wizard to reconfigure the internet connection settings. 8. Update firmware, in Settings, look for firmware updates. An outdated firmware may cause connectivity issues. 9. Reset to factory settings, press and hold the reset button on the router for 10 seconds to restore default settings.